All right, well, what's on the bench here? It's a radio out of a car. It's out of my car, and it died. Or I should say it was very sick, and I removed it. It has navigation, it has GPS and all the fancy stuff, and it has touchscreen, and it started to just freeze every once in a while. And you hold down the button for 3 seconds, and it finally reboots itself. And I had to do that like every other time I got in the car. It was pretty annoying. And then it started to press the touch screen itself. It would just randomly touch things on its own, and I decided, well, that's not safe. And so I pulled it out. I replaced it with a nice JVC unit that has Apple CarPlay and all that kind of cool stuff in it. I love the new system. But I thought we'd take this apart and see what's inside. Okay, so it actually had 2 units bolted together, and I believe this unit's the navigation unit, and this unit is the stereo unit. I've taken out lots of screws. So let's start with the navigation unit, since it's a small one. This one says it's a Toyota, came out of a RAV4, some kind of Toyota thing. Frequency range 2.332.5 to 3.23. Let's see, I can't read it. 2332.5 and 2345.0. So is that GPS? I don't know the frequencies. So let's see if we can't pry this thing open. Where's the screwdriver? All right. Oh. All right, let's throw that away. Let me move the camera a bit here. All right, well, we've got some surface mount stuff. Can I take the other side off? No, we have to take the board out. So let me do that. All right, taking the screws out. There we go. That's what we want. Let's throw this away. How's that? Yeah, here's our GPS receiver here. And here's our connector for the GPS. Comes in that little coax, and it goes onto this coax, and it goes into this GPS module. And then we have some other antennas here. I don't know what those are. If those are, like I said, I don't know how it wires into the car. What's it say here? Itame, I-T-A-M-E, because that's the maker. Yeah, anyway, pretty cool stuff. Might be able to reuse the GPS, but they're so cheap these days. So cheap these days. So there you go. I mean, it's a GPS receiver and a chip. I mean, that's all this board is, right? There's some power supply things, but that's all it is a GPS and a chip. So this is the navigation unit. And on this side, there's some other chips. So, okay, it's more than one chip. What does this say on it? Nothing of interest. Anyway, so we got that board. Let's see what's inside the big unit. Oh, that's right. This one had it has a CD player. Oh, look, good, that fell out. There we go. That's what we want. Now we're talking. All right, so here's the CD deck. How did it get wired in? I didn't disconnect anything. It just fell out. How did that attach? I'm very confused now. I guess here there's a little. Oh, here it is. There it is. There's a ribbon cable back here. That's how it attached. All right, so CD player. This looks like some type of audio thing. We have a little fan over here. Okay, that's good. We have a ESMT chip, whatever that is. Then all those connectors on the back, tons of connectors for the automotive stuff. So let's take this board out. All right, got this board out. See the backside. Oh, we got big chips. Fujitsu, NXP, and the ES chip. All right, well, there you go. Lots of stuff on that board. And then we're left with one more board. How do we get into it? How do we get in? Let's see. All right, well, this is where all the magic happens. Holy crud. We got tons of chips on this one, and it's a complicated board. Fujitsu, Renaissance, Panasonic, Fujitsu, yeah, all kinds of stuff on this one. Wow. Little boards. Hold all the ribbon cables in. And under here, under this big heatsink, is the audio chip. So it's under there somewhere. We'll have to take that apart. Some nice big caps. Yeah. The environment in cars is very, very dirty, right? The power supply is very dirty in a car, so you need good filtering, inductor and capacitors and stuff to clean up the clean things up. Otherwise, you're going to get cruddy audio. See if we can't take this heat sink off of there. All right, pretty nice cast heatsink, and there's our magic chip under there. And where are the writings? The writings are on the other side. Maybe we can bend this down and bend the chip down. There we go. Bend the chip down. Doesn't have any writing on it. Looks like maybe ST. Where's my flashlight? All right, going in with the iPhone here to look at some chips. All right, so we have an ARM processor over there. Fujitsu, let's turn it around so electrons don't fall out. So these are hard to read. Looks like a Fairchild fart. Isn't those F's Fairchild? I don't know. You tell me. I can't read all of these. Looks like some RAM there. Samsung. Panasonic looks like some ROM or RAM. What's this thing? I don't know what these chips are. LTC. There's an interesting chip. What's that? Oops. What's this thing? AKM. Don't know. All right, but we wanted to see what the amplifier was here. And I still can't read it. I still can't read it, can you? Wow, that's hard to... Oh, there we go, maybe? Yeah. TDA 8751, maybe? Yeah, there's all the magic that happens in the radio there, at least the amplifier. What's this little guy? I don't know what he is. Maybe he's an FM receiver. Yeah, anyway, interesting stuff. Yeah, interesting stuff. Let's look at the other board under magnification. And there's that chip. I don't know. And on the back side, we got Fujitsu 10. Okay. I have no idea what these things are. A lot of custom chips in the world. NXP chip there. All right. And then the navigation board here. We got, hard to get the lighting just right. There you go. Don't know what that is. And I got the cool nav GPS there. And the back side's got some, I don't know, interesting things. I don't know what they are. Look at that. That's pretty complicated. Okay, well, there you go. That was inside my old radio.